Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore how to create consultant-grade strategy frameworks in Jeda.ai. First, open the recipe menu. We have 300 plus ready-to-use frameworks for business strategy, planning, analysis, and decision-making. Let's search for PESTEL analysis. Fill in the details, choose your AI model, and click Generate. You have your matrix, but maybe this layout doesn't work for you. Before generating a recipe, you can choose from different layout options. You can also run recipes with your own data. Let me show you with a SWOT analysis. Fill in the details, choose your AI model, open the advanced settings, upload your document or data file, or just select it. Now, generate your visual strategy matrix. Let's take things further with Jeda.ai's Multi-LLM capability. We'll go with the Business Plan AI recipe. Our AI workspace allows you to choose up to 3 AI models at the same time. It's like letting 3 experts work on the problem in parallel. You can also choose another model for aggregation. It cherry-picks the best parts and creates an aggregated visual output. Turn standard strategy frameworks into visual, editable, presentation-ready outputs with Jeda.ai. And with the multi-LLM reasoning, make them even smarter. Build better strategies, compare stronger ideas, and move from planning to action at the thinking speed.